How's it going, everyone? Joseph Ford with Harlowe Studios. Right now I'm going to be shooting on 4 different locations. One's going to be here in studio. 3 of them are going to be off-site at a different location. So everything that's going to be featured within this video is going to be shot coming directly from out of this bag. So let me get to it, and I hope you enjoy the show. So we made it to our second location, which I said was on site. So this is the first spot we're gonna shoot at. Let me go ahead and set up my lights and then we'll get to it. Okay, so we found our third location. So right here, I'm gonna use these stairs to kind of show off the architecture and then do some compositions with the model that accentuate the background as well. So let's go over here and get to it. Okay, so we finally found our final location. As you can see, we got a gorgeous landscape. This is location number 4. And let's hurry up and get to it so I can get some shots in. All right, everyone, so we were just about to wrap up our photo shoot and I saw one location I just have to shoot at, which is right behind me. So we're gonna go ahead and get some shots here right before we close out our photo shoot for today. So we ended up doing 5 locations instead of 4. I just had to shoot the next one because of the fact that I like the composition that I was seeing. Shout out my team to help me capture the photos. I couldn't have done it without them. And I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and hope to see you in the next video.